What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today we have a veteran singer in the building today. You know, we have Mr. Uton Green in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
Yes, man, I'm here giving thanks, brother Muscle. I'm just giving thanks and, you know, put it in the work.
You understand. Welcome to Toronto. When was the last time you were in Toronto?
Well, it's my first time in Toronto, you know.
First time?
Very first time. I've been all over, but my very first time in Toronto.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have to give thanks.
Yeah. Because I know you're a veteran. You've been doing music from in the 80s come up to right now. And this is the first time you actually touched down in the city.
Yes, I've been all over, but Toronto, the first.
Yeah.
But I've been to Montreal just the other day since I came to Toronto.
How was it in Montreal?
Yeah, man, nice show, nice little show.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we perform and the people, them love it.
Good vibes.
Yeah, man.
Let's take it back from beginning here. I know you're originally Waterhouse, man.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Originally Waterhouse. I'm originally from Waterhouse. So I was in a group called Invaders.
Yeah. That was you, your sister, and your brother.
Yes.
Yeah. What year did you guys start that group?
It was early in the 80s, you know, in the 80s.
Yeah.
In the 80s, because I was a small tot those times.
Yeah.
So, you know, Junior Reid saw us perform at a school called Balmoji Primary School, and Junior Reid decided, say, he's going to give us some promotion. So, Junior Reid then introduced us to Don Carlos. So, Don Carlos started produce us, but unfortunately, my sister migrated to America, and I migrated to Manchester.
Okay,
so
let's
that's
take it.
Split up.
All right, okay, we're going to take it back a bit before we get there. So, okay, so you guys started out singing reggae, or what type of music were you
Reggae,
singing?
man, real reggae.
Yeah.
Because Don Carlos is a reggae artist, so he produced the best.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was reggae, real reggae. Yeah.
What other groups were you seeing around Waterhouse where you guys say, the Invaders, this is what we want to sound like, this is who we're patterning our style after?
Yeah, man, you have Wailing Soul, you have Black Horror, and before Black Horror, Michael Rose used to be the lead, is a solo artist.
Yeah, man.
So we used to emulate Michael Rose then, until he went over to Black Horror, and, you know, that's history.
Did you get to go into those times as a group? Did you get to audition or even go into jammies or studio mix or anything? Because I know Studio Mix and King Jammies, you were both in Waterhouse.
Yes, man. We was one of Studio Mix favorite artists, favorite group, favorite person. We always around Studio Mix. Even now, my brother always is still around Studio Mix.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I think Daddy Mix doesn't really get the recognition from Waterhouse that it really deserves.
That's true. That's
you know
true.
What I mean?
Because Tolo T and all those artists, we know them from Studio Mix days.
John Wayne,
Pompidou, until they go over by Jammins. And Jammins start produce big time. But just think Studio Mix was there before Jammins.
Okay.
If my memory serves me right. Because Studio Mix was one of the original.
Yeah.
And then you have King Tubby's Billy Studio after that. Yeah.
Okay, so it was more Studio Mix that you were linked to.
Yeah, man, it was Studio Mix then.
How long were you guys a group?
We was a group for about 10, 15 years, you know.
That's how long you
Yeah, man, that's so long, man. Because we grew up, we are brothers and sisters, so we grew together, rehearsing on our veranda every evening, every night. We rehearse, because we don't know nothing but just sing. That's what we do. Because the singing actually comes from our mother. So our mother always encouraged us to sing, because that's where it's come from.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was she a professional singer, or she just more like singing church?
No, she's singing the church. Yeah. My mother was like a church singer, but I'm telling you, when she starts singing, man, you can stay from a mile and hear my mother. Yeah. She have a different tone of voice, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At that time there, so you guys were linking up. So when you guys, did you guys, so it was only Don Carlos that you guys recorded for? You didn't record for anybody else as a group?
No, as a group, we record for Don Carlos and Alric, where that song name? Gladiators. Alric and Gladiators.
Yeah.
Because Alric actually was the bass player for Gladiators. And so we record for Gladiators as well.
Proper.
Yeah,
and
man.
did those songs come out?
You know, I don't know.
Yeah.
But I think some of them come out.
Yeah.
Because, you know, those are times, no, we never travel to know if the songs come out or not. You understand? So I figure more or less some come out. I never check.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you don't remember really hearing them back?
No.
Yeah.
But it was some great songs.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This is a cry of a poor man, ghetto children. You understand? Some real good reggae.
Did you guys perform back then also on like shows and all those things there?
Only community shows.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no international shows, but community shows, because Waterhouse is a musical hub.
Yeah, man.
So everybody come at Waterhouse. So we perform all around, in and around Waterhouse, during the park and those places.
Okay, so you're doing your thing, but as
Yeah,
you
man, it
said,
was in and around.
it really, when your sister migrated, that's when the group basically fell apart because it was only you and your brother left.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then I migrated to Manchester now and start singing a song called Destiny Outernational.
International, of course.
Yeah.
Okay, but you see, usually it's the other way around. Somebody
Yeah.
would come from Manchester to town.
Yes.
So why do you decide to go to from town to Manchester?
Well, my mother loved me enough, you know, and she never wanted me to be in Waterhouse because there a whole lot of violence used to in Waterhouse and all those things were going on. My mother never really wanted me to in those things. So she tried to send me away to Manchester to let me grow with my family. Because she said she loved me so much she want to save me because just badness, nonsense was going on in and around Waterhouse. So she decided to say, you know, my boy picking them. I don't want, especially him, I don't want him to stay in Waterhouse. Because she, you know, I don't know. She loved me so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So she
I
said
was like
to the
her
country
favorite
when
child.
Yeah.
Yeah. She never said it to me, but I know.
Everybody knows that they're
Everybody
the
have
favorite
a favorite.
Yeah.
Everybody have a favorite, one way or another. Yeah, man.
Good. So it was you and your brother that went to Manchester?
Yes, but unfortunately, no. My mother had the plan to send both of us, but she said, my brother coming back and I'll be staying down there to help my aunt and my cousins around the place. And when I was in Waterhouse, there wasn't no mango tree, no breadfruit tree, no nothing like that, coconut tree. So when I go to Manchester now, it's a whole brand new different life. You understand? I say, wow, I don't bother want to go back to Waterhouse. I want to stay here because the tree just right outside. I can just go pick a mango, grapefruit, orange, you name them, you know? So that's what happened.
Everything was there.
Everything was there.
So when you got to Manchester now, how long did it take for you to actually link with Destiny and get on the show?
All right. Destiny Outernational was in my area. So it's just a walking distance from where I live. So like every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Destiny play, we go up there, go perform. You understand? We call it workout.
Yeah.
You understand? So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, when the sound is not playing out, we work out, keep sharp. You understand? And that include Kulture Knox sometime. Tony Blood come sometime as well. Garnet Silk. You understand? But them time Garnet Silk was Little Bimbo.
Yes, man.
You
He was
understand?
DJing those times.
Yeah, he was a DJ. And Little Meeky, Daddy Meeky, King Everall, Little Kirk. You understand? Shabba Rankin, but them time Shabba Rankin wasn't Shabba Rankin, he was co-pilot.
Of course. Yeah.
So he came to us as co-pilot. And when he left us in Kingston, I heard he's Shabba Rankin. So I said, wow, that's a change.
Yeah.
So maybe, I'm not sure, maybe he took the name Shabba from the selector, Shabba Mello, because the selector was Shabba Mello. And he was co-pilot. So I just figure more or less he liked the name. So it was Shabba Rankin then.
Got you. How long was Shabba around Destiny for?
Couple years, man, about 15 to 20 years, Shabba, because they came from England. Shabba and Copper, Gerald and Shabba, same thing. You understand? But Copper was the owner for the sound. And Shabba, they say was both of them own the sound. That's what they told us then. You understand? But it looked like Copper was the one who owned the sound then. And Shabba was the selector, because Shabba was way before his time.
Yeah.
Shabba would cut the dub plates, and the burial song, and every sound come, the GT Taylor, GT come, you understand, Cosmic Force, you name them.
Yeah.
Every sound come, because Shabba said his ultimate goal was to tackle Jaro, because Jaro was the sound.
Of course.
The rubber dub sound. So he carried all of those dub plates from England. That's where I saw the first real dub plates. You understand, some blue dub plate, some orange one, some black ones, you understand?
Yeah.
And some, he played some different type of artist, man, because he was from the international scene, so he bring the international act to Jamaica.
That's why the song was called Destiny
Outernational
Outernational
instead of international.
Yeah. No, I had one cassette from Destiny, and I think it did have on Little Bimbo, Tony Rebel, Kulture Knox. I can't remember who else
Bionic,
was on
there was a singer called Bionic as well.
Yes.
And Everton Blender was there also.
Yes. Everton Blender came down from Clarendon and was down. He was down in Manchester on the song those times.
Yes.
Yeah, man. I remember Destiny. You remember any wicked night on Destiny that you won't forget?
Yes, man. When Destiny and GT play, man. When Destiny and GT play at Taros nightclub, it's so black and it's so nice that they have to keep it the next night. So one night becomes two. You understand? And the next night rams same way. You understand?
Who was on Destiny? Was it a clash or was just more?
It was a clash, man.
Okay.
Serious
who was
clash.
on GT then?
GT, it was a whole lot of artists, man. I think even General Tree was on GT as well, you know. Because GT was like a Jews land sound.
Yeah.
You understand? But with the vibes nice over Destiny. General Trees came over by Destiny and they were vexed for that. And General Tree was saying like it's just sound business, it was just niceness. You understand? But the vibes draw General Trees over there. Yeah, man. So from that night, General Trees start come on the sound regular.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Those times, and another night that you remember on Destiny.
With GT and Creation. GT and Creation played by Scott Passman with Papa San, you name them, Dirts, man. A whole party. You know the GT artists, but a whole lot of them. And believe me, man, Kulture Knox was like a rock. Because Kulture Knox is a lyricist, you know.
Yeah.
Remember, Kulture Knox's father is Freya, you know.
That's his father?
Yeah, Freya was Kulture Knox's father, Jeff Dixon.
Yeah.
You understand? So you have that big tone of voice, that radio voice, so you just transform it into DJ. Yeah, man, Kulture Knox was great, man. Yeah. One of the tallest lyrics was Kulture Knox.
Kulture Knox.
You understand?
I don't think he really gets the recognition that he really deserves. A lot of people don't even realize he's on the end of the I'll Do Anything For You song with Snow and Beanie Man and Bush and all of them. He's the last artist
on that album.
Yeah, man. I mean,
man.
Kulture Knox. Destiny, Guan and Wicked now. Was your name always, because your real name is Uton Green?
Yes.
So did you ever have a different artist name before and then you switched it back to Uton Green?
No. Uton Green right through. Throughout my life is Uton Green. Throughout my musical life, Uton Green. Because it's just one name I have.
Yeah.
So Uton Green straight.
How come you've never changed your name or you've ever thought about changing your name or anything?
Yes, I never all right. In those times, you have like the spanner, screwdriver, pinchers, and you understand, just name of tools, and I never like. I say no, I don't like, but I rather keep my name. And as a singer, I got that privilege to keep my name because singers always have either the first name is their correct name or the last name. So I just keep Uton Green straight. Yeah, man.
Definitely. So you're linking up with, as I said, Rebel, Bimbo. Enough of you guys are linking up. This is the Destiny crew.
Yes.
But I think eventually a lot of Destiny crew turned into like Flames crew. This is when you guys started to record.
Yes.
And Tony Rebel was a producer.
Yes, because all right, me and Tony Rebel used to par, and that's where we met. Yasa Safari. So we decided we're gonna start a company, Flames Production. You understand? So we used to live down by Manchester, a place called Buckcha, me and Rebel. You understand? And we decided, say, the negativity we are going in Kingston, we can't take it no more. You understand? So we decided, we are going to change the musical landscape all to complete. We are going to get a baptism with the culture. So we went into Kingston. Although I'm originally from Kingston, I was in Manchester. So we decided, we're going into Kingston to change the old vibes. So we went to Pembrokeshire Drive, the same place that Flames is at this moment.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So we decided to change it, and we go in, man, and we did our work, and we did change the music, the culture.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So it was culture straight for a time, because, you know, the Garnet Silk bus, big time, and the world is swallowing Garnet Silk, then the world is swallowing Tony Rebel. You understand? So, and me bringing Blender now, Blender was in Clarendon working. So he come check me one day over by Pembroke Drive, and I said, Blender, what you really do? I said, well, look at work, me I do, you know, me I do look painting, and me I bun, me look cool and them something. I said, Blender, no, man, that not gonna work, man. Come suffer with me and make we build the music and build together. You understand? So I took Blender now to Fattis and Carl Eaton. That he was a president for Jamaica, for the Jamaica Federation of Music.
Okay. Yeah,
Carl Eaton. So when I vice, when Garnet Silk now, when Everton Blender vice for Fattis and Carl Eaton, me never know so Garnet Silk strong. We carry me, you know, coming up the flames now with Everton Blender. I said, listen to song with Blender vice. I'm not telling me if you love it, because I want their blessing on it.
for sure.
So when them hear the song of Blender Vice, man, Garnet Silk lift me up with one hand up in the ear. Never know, say, I said, look, my man strong. I said, look what you do for Blender. Look what you do for Blender. Because it's very emotional youth, you know, and spiritual youth, you know. Them say, all right, we're going to do something too. We're going to carry Blender to either jammings or somebody too. So then Blender, Garnet Silk now took Blender to Startrail. That's Bello.
Yeah.
And Blender Vice, me no just a come. Long time me there and a Jaja son and embarrassed. But from before that now, Blender was say me vice will pass song and me no burst. But me say no worry about me, man.
Yeah.
Me can vice 11 or 12 song and me and not no go on, and you can come vice one and it.
For sure.
And it worked exactly like how I said it.
Yeah.
Blender boss before me. And it was a pleasure, it was a joy for me to see Blender.
Because you're seeing your brethren.
Yes.
Get
Get my word come to tuition. You understand? So I love that. You understand? Yeah.
Do you remember when Garnet Silk went from DJ and Little Bimbo to Garnet Silk? Do you remember that transition?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I remember it. Steely is the one that give Garnet Silk his name, you know. Because it was Little Bimbo and first Rebel carry to Penthouse and Jeremy and said, Garnet, every man you carry Rebel sound the same way. You Garnet Silk sound the same way, and now Uton Green sound the same way. You know, everybody you carry come sound the same way. You understand me I say? So, he never really vice Garnet then. So, Garnet now go to Court Nicole now, and Court Nicole vice Garnet Silk and give my break then. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. And Yassas come and say, wash your troubles, wash them all away. Come make me work for find a new day. And then he say, 7 Spanish angel. Yeah, so that's how Garnet Silk get the break, and then him move into Greener Pastor, which is Steely and Clevie. So Steely now decides say, he might change the name there to Garnet Silk, because the man, listen, look at the man so like Silk, man. Yo, I'm going to change the name from look at me but to Garnet Silk. And yeah, Steely changed his name.
Yeah, it was Steely.
Yes. Yeah, what's what Steely changed his name.
And you were still around because of, this is, again, Destiny Crew, Flames Crew, so you're always in the whole link.
Yeah, man, we were like family. And we're like family still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doing all of that there now, as you said, you're still voicing, recording, because at one time there was 3 labels where enough of the culture was coming from.
Yes.
It was Flames,
Startrail,
Flames,
yes.
and Xterminator.
Right.
Those were the 3. This was like when Sizzla, Luciano,
Yeah, man.
Anthony B, Walipa, you guys this time.
Yeah, man,
The culture, those 3 labels were running the culture at one time.
Yeah, man. Because me, Luciano, and Sizzla was at Fattis. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man. We was like Fattis artists. Although I was at Flames.
Yeah.
Because Fattis is just take on to me and love my spirit and love my vibes. So he might come to Rebel and say, I want vice for you, you know, Rebel. So make him come on the studio and make me work with him. So it was Garnet, it was Lucy. Them time Sizzla young, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
Them time Sizzla I look at you. So, you know, they run Sizzla and Lucy.
Yeah.
So that was like Fattis artists.
Do you actually go on the road with Xterminator? I know one time Luciana and Sizzla was really on the road. Did you go on the road with them?
No. Because actually I wasn't a signed artist with Xterminator, but Fattis rate me and love me, say want to work with me. And then, you know, it's like was a little tussle between them and Rebel, cause you know I was like a Flames artist.
Yeah.
So, you know.
From there.
Yeah.
But then now this is when the big rhythm comes in, the Lalabella Riddim.
Yes.
All right. That rhythm there, it's like almost everybody on the rhythm had a hit.
Yeah.
All right.
But the Lalabella Riddim now came about when we go to Ethiopia, because the Ethiopian government brought us down there to celebrate the Battle of Adowa.
Okay.
So when we went to Ethiopia now, we see the city now, Lalabella. You understand? Because we go to Lalabella, Axum, Bardar, and Gondar. Those are some cities in Ethiopia. So we like Lalabella. And then we start call Muta Baruka, start call Tony Rebel Lalabella. So that's how the rhythm really came about. Because me, Tony Rebel, Andrea Williams, Yasser Safari went to Ethiopia to celebrate the Battle of Adowa. So that's how the Lalabella rhythm came about, and not the rhythm, the name came about.
Yeah.
Because the rhythm really was a brethren called Jawian, Latibodier. He was the one who brought the rhythm to me in Flames, because it's like me was the pulling force in Flames.
Got it.
Everybody come there through me. You understand? So he came with the rhythm and said, "You have a rhythm pan a CD or pan a cassette." Then time it was cassette. And we were all billing song off the cassette, and when Rebels we are build the song now, Rebel decided now to carry to build over back the rhythm. You understand? To put some good musicians around it. So it's Firehouse is the one who built Lalabella Riddim.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I remember when that came out.
Yeah.
You guys even had a medley video for that song there.
Yes. When we came from Ethiopia, if you saw the video, I was in the Ethiopian suit. Yeah, because you know it was that connection was there. So we videoed the song, and the song go all over the world, man. That song hit, that rhythm hit.
Because I think the rhythm came out, this probably came out right after Garnet Silk had died. Because it was Aaron Silk that was on the rhythm, not Garnet Silk that was on the rhythm there.
Yes, but boy, for some reason, Garnet Silk never want Vice on the rhythm. I don't know what, but Garnet, every time Garnet Silk would come to the studio, come Vice, him never really reach for one reason or another. So that's how Garnet Silk was
Aaron
on the
Silk,
rhythm.
yeah.
But
And
Aaron
his
Silk,
brother.
his brother was on the rhythm.
Yeah. Okay, so Garnet didn't die this time here yet. It was his brother that was on the rhythm.
It was his brother. Garnet died in 94.
When did Lalabella? I thought Lalabella came out around 94ish time too, you know.
I think it's about 93.
94, 95. When did Lalabella come out?
It's about 93.
I have a room full of selectors in here that's very knowledgeable.
Yeah.
Take a guess.
I think it's about 93, early 94.
Around between 93 to 95 or somewhere.
I think yeah, man. That's some because it's after we came from Ethiopia. Yeah.
Is when it came out. You guys put out the rhythm and everything started to happen.
Yes, and the rhythm hit.
Would you say that was the first time that you really got your first break, or was it when you voiced for Can't Take for Shocking Vibes?
It's Shocking Vibes.
Yeah.
Shocking Vibes is the one who gave me the big break. And I think Lalabella came out after that. Yeah. Because I advised Can't Take up early 93. But it came out 94. Yeah.
And Thing was really the big one on the rhythm too, was the Panhead, African Princess. Because remember, he was doing because he was more doing a lot of the gun songs, but this is when he was just
transforming. Yeah. Because he was transforming to Rasta then, you know. You understand? Because maybe he realized, you know, the negative not gonna work for too long, so he was coming over.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So Stitch was on that rhythm as well. Sanchez was on the rhythm as well. So yeah. That was a big break all over. So how I know that song really hit now is when Mandela came. We were celebrating like Mandela coming in from prison. So we keep they keep a lot of shows. Then one was at the stadium
where Beanie Man got the infamous boo.
And one was at Mandela Park because they renamed the park in Arfetry Mandela Park.
Got you.
Understand? So I was singing harmony for Rebel then. Me, Sugar Black, Lebankole. So Rebel now say, them youth are wanna say think on go harmony, them can't harmony, them can't lead to, you know. So he called out Sugar Black first, and Sugar Black and Lebankole sing because there was a duet. And after him called me out, I never know the song hit. Because I was like a person who didn't go to the studio a lot. I more to stay at Flames and write. Because Flames wasn't a studio, you know, it was like a production house.
Got you.
You understand? Maybe now they build a studio there, but then it wasn't a studio, it was a production house. We used to just vice and make song from there, go to studio, go vice. So then Rebel called me out now, but I heard Stone Love bust the song before, play at a session, and some soldier were there, because actually Can't Take is a soldier wrote Can't Take.
Okay.
Yeah, you give me the words and I put the melody to it. So it and I don't know the song. So when now the Rebel called me out, now when I sing the song, it was the biggest roar for the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't
The
Take.
biggest roar. So it surprised me and it surprised everybody. You understand then?
How did you end up voicing that song for Shocking Vibes?
No, well, I voiced a whole lot of songs for Shocking Vibes, you know. Because, you know, Shocking Vibes was the label that was going then. And Beenie Man was on that label. Now, Beenie Man and me come from the same area.
Yeah.
As
Waterhouse.
you know. Yeah, Waterhouse. Just short distance from each other. You understand? So I went to Shocking Vibes and them love how me sing. You understand? So I voiced about 3 to 4 songs for Shocking Vibes. But Can't Take is the last song I voiced for them.
Yeah.
And it just hit. He told us that everywhere you go with the song, it just blow off like paper. Everywhere they go, it just song just take off. You know, Shaq, he even said one time, if you were my artist, well, signed to me, it would be different, because everywhere we go with the song, it just
go.
It just go.
So were you officially signed to Flames, or that was your home base?
Well, I was signed to Flames. Yeah, because Fitzroy Edwards was one of the man who built Flames. So he signed me up on the computer. You understand? If you check that computer now, you see Uton Green, the first artist who signed to Flames.
Yeah.
Yeah, officially.
Yeah.
You understand? Because it's we build it. It's we come from country and build the whole Flames production. Yeah.
So then you, at this time here now, you have 2 hits under your belt. No Looking Back and Can't Take.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So are you doing a lot of shows, international shows, or still a lot of local shows at this time here now?
Well, we did local show and international shows, because we went to St. Kitts, Trinidad, Antigua to perform and all those places. We and Dennis Brown went to St. Kitts as well. Yeah, Dennis Brown, Freddie McGregor, Big Ship family. Big Ship is actually the first one who gave me a visa. Yeah, man.
Listen.
So I will have a history.
The more I talk to you, the more I understand how you've really been around in the industry and really linked with a lot of big names. This isn't no joking names, you know, boss.
Yeah,
some
man.
real big names. It's just you weren't getting the super break like a lot of them,
Yes.
but you were in the mix. You were in the link.
Yeah, man. I was one of them who I was like a nurturer, because even Rash Shiloh, we went to America and saw Rash Shiloh. Rash Shiloh was big belly. You understand? And he loved my vibes and say, I want to come to Jamaica, come visiting and work with you. You know, I love your vibes, I love your sound. You understand? So he even tried to slur like me and all, and all of that.
Yeah.
So I was like, I look a teacher for Rashilo then. Everton Blender same way. DeMarco was my last protege.
DeMarco?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I was the one who was having DeMarco all around, calling him on stage show, building DeMarco confidence. So you can do it, man. You can do it. So, you know, until DeMarco, Vice Fallen Soldier. A friend of ours, police, get him out with one day with a machine, and that's how Fallen Soldier come about. Yeah. Because it was a good youth, you know. Well, when you're in a certain area, you know, the people that they say bad is the people that come in simple to we, you know, because they don't try to bad way up or anything like that. It was just a simple youth, you understand? But he was in the wrong company, you understand? So he died with a woozy. Yeah, and you know, that's how Fallen Soldier came about.
Yeah. No, boss, you're in the link of the link of the link of the link, you know. You know what I mean? But it just seems like you as a personality, you're just more cool and relaxed, and you know what I mean? You're not too into the hype thing.
No, I mean not the hype thing. Even Rebel Salute. I am the one who formed Rebel Salute because Rebel not with one Rebel Salute. Rebel was with Colombia then.
Yeah.
So Rebel say him no want a salute because him signed with Colombia and him no want the conflict of interest then. So we say, all right, we are salute you, man, and you are salute yourself. So we are going to salute you because of the work where you do. Because we used to call him the bulldozer, gorilla, Tony Rebel. You understand them time to the cultural works that he was performing. So we say, we are going to salute you. So it so comes, Rebel Salute Farm. Me and Yasso Safari come about and decide, so we are going to do it. Deuteronomy was there also. Kulture Knox was there also. Right one of the back of Flames, we farm it. I said, we are going to do it. You understand? And I said, ease yourself, man. I know you we are salute. I know. One time, to even convince him, Deuteronomy even come forth and say, all right, we are salute all rebels. All rebels we are salute, not just you. But you know for the positive work we are perform and the cultural work we are perform, we are going to salute you for that. So it was a breaking point there.
Yeah.
So I said, yeah, man, we are going to do it, man.
Do you remember what year Rebel Salute started?
It was so long, but I think it's somewhere in the 90s, though. Somewhere in the late 90s. You understand? Or no, somewhere, because I was about 93. It was I think it was about 93, 92 then. You understand? And then it was Rebel Salute and it was Garnet Silk birthday bash.
Okay, that's what I was just about to ask.
Yes. Because I am the one, me and Yasa same way. You understand? With Garnet Silk birthday bash. Because them never really say it could have worked, but me used to keep stage show, And they used to laugh at me. Because they see I was one of the bravest person they saw. Because all when it not work, me still happy. You understand? Because I say, me promote my name though. You understand? So if it not work, one way it will work another way. So they was laughing at me, say I always keep flap shows. You understand? So you say, yeah, man, we'll keep the Rebel Salute now. So me and Yassas come together and start the Rebel Salute and keep the Rebel Salute. We go do everything. Put a poster, because I'm the first one who have a little transport out of the crew. It was a little under 50 bike, a C90 we call it.
Yeah.
You understand? It looked like a under 50, but it was a C90. Everybody say under 50, me start say under 50, but it was a C90.
Yeah.
And it just looked same like a under 50. So that carry we all over from Hochi to Manchester to everywhere. You see me and Yassa span the bike back and show Yassa see my van the rap now. Yassa hook up on the bike. It was a joy. Yeah, man. So we start the Rebel Salute. The first 2 to 3 years was rain.
I heard.
All right, the first show we kept, it was one in Southfield and one in Red Bank, because Yassas is from St. Elizabeth. So Yassas familiar with Red Bank. So we know Sunday night is Red Bank and the Saturday night it was Rosal. So we keep those 2 shows first. You understand? And then we say we are going to launch the Salute then. So that's how it comes about.
Big history. A lot of people don't, because again, some places you read, they would say that it started out as Garnet Silk's birthday.
No.
Other people would say that it started out as different things.
No. Garnet Silk birthday was the 2nd of April. Rebel Salute was the 30th, it was the 17th of January. So it was about like 2 months apart. Because the plan was to my birthday bash come, me keep it. Kulture Knox birthday bash come in a keep film birthday bash. So everybody's birthday was fall on a different day. So when the 2 salute come, the 2 first show come now is like, no interest to keep our one. So we just make it go on.
Yeah.
You understand? We don't worry about certain things, we just make it flow. You understand? So when why Garnet name now came into Rebel Salute is when Garnet Silk passed on. We decided, so we are going to say Rebel Salute featuring the tribute to Garnet Silk. That's how Garnet Silk came in Rebel Salute.
Got you.
Yeah, man.
When did you start to cite Rastafari? Because again, the whole crew was basically Rastafari. Or who was the first one to really say Rastafari out of the crew?
I think it was Rebel and Yassas first, Yeah, and then we after, because we were younger than them. You understand? So that's how it came about. Rebel first, and then Garnet Silk, then Everton Blender. In fact, when Everton Blender and Natty, him ear couldn't grow, and them tell him, say, him ear, same ear, now go grow. And right now, Blender, when we saw Blender the other day, Blender relax was like down here, down to his calf. So,
Yeah.
But so Rebel was first.
He was the first one to really say Rastafari.
Yeah.
You know, another this is another song that's instrumental in your career. Killamanjaro, boss.
Yes.
You see, Killamanjaro, when they started to play the Cantec,
Yeah, man.
to me, that gave it a whole different life altogether.
Yeah, man.
How did you link with Jaro?
Well, it's like the song burst, you know, and you know, when they have a big song out there, you know, they selected them and go find you. So Ricky Trooper, so must come by the studio, because Jaro was the studio that all of us go by as well. Okay, you understand? Because in Kingston, you know, you have to find a little spot, and a spot where you go. So Jaro was the spot that going on Whitehall Avenue then. So we went by Trooper, and Trooper Love My Vibes and Vice a song. And believe me, man, Mr. Harper tell me, say, Uton Green, sometime when we down in a hole and we play that song, it's like we come out a hole and ready. You understand? Mr. Harper told me that. Yeah. So that's how that come about.
Yeah, man, because that, as I said, a lot of people right now would probably not even really remember the 45.
Yeah,
but they'll remember the Killamanjaro dub.
Yes. Yeah, man, it worked wonder, man. It wonders for me.
Yeah, and it wasn't just that one there. It was a couple of them well that Jaro was playing as Uton Green. Yes. You know what I mean? Yeah,
man, couple songs well, man. Because I voice some songs for Trooper where I never voice to nobody else, because the Trooper kind of different, you know. He must have that, so him want it. And him recreate it, you understand, in a film. Because when him and Alaska play, we sit down and we farm it all over. And Trooper say, it's the first song ever get like 5 forward in a clash. When him play Alaska over by Arthurwell Place. Yeah, man. You know, I think it was Boom Clash. And you know, him play it and him call me and say, Uton, at the first in my life, one song gets so much forward. Because you know, some songs just have 1 and 2 forward a night. Him say 5 forward came in that song that night.
Yeah.
So, you know.
Thing response for you too, because they were it was the two basically brother sound, Jaro and Black Cat. Black Cat, yes. Panta,
yeah, man.
Response for you too. You seen him in certain World Clash and some Black Clash, really turn on some Uton.
Yeah, man. Panta tell me say the song do wonders for him. You know, cause Panta is a very jovial youth, you know. And when them see him, they're like, hey, idiot boy, we play a song with you, and if you want to say it, go on. And you know, Panta is very jovial. So you might always run jokes. So, you know, we know say Panta that. You know?
Definitely. So you like cutting dub plates and stuff like that?
Yeah, man, that's a part of me, you know. That's a part of me. That's where I learned from, you know. You know, it's a part, because it's both sides of the business. Now you have the recording side of the business, you have the dub plate side of the business. So, you know, when I was earlier on, I used to do mostly recording. But I never know, in the long run, they would want all the records to turn in dubplate. I never know those things. So I record a whole lot of songs, and right now the soundman them want them in dubplate style. So I just give them.
Yeah. I don't believe in cocaine.
No looking back. You don't have to shoot. Tonight, there is a victory to be won. There is a message in my song. And then me can't take the bloom, ratatata, blam, blam. Yeah, man, a whole lot of them, man.
Yeah. Trust me, when those turn on,
yes.
Different vibes.
Different energy.
You know what I mean?
Well, I sing it with feeling and spirit, you know. So, if I'm doing a song for you, and I won't be doing it from my heart, I don't feel good. I have to do it. I always tell myself I love to please my customer. If you remember the soundman, they are my employer, you know. You understand? So I see it like a job. So that's how I work. If I do that part and it doesn't sound good to me, I say, no, I could do that over. So I always try to, I'm like a perfectionist. Yeah. Yeah.
When did you start to go to Europe? Because I know you've done some good shows out in Europe also.
Yeah, man. The first time me and Rebel go Europe, you know, we did a Noja tour. Yeah. Me, Rebel, Sugar Black, Lebankole, Everton Blender. We do 11 shows in Europe, all around. Italy, Germany, Switzerland, France, and, you know, a couple of places I can't remember that now. Yeah. But 11 shows we did, all over, all around.
And what was the reception for you?
Well received, man. Well received, because the people heard the song then. So when it's like it's just a brata. Yeah, people were looking forward. Well, I go into a place called Munchin, and I never know so blum big. Yeah. When I run on the stage and start sing the song, I couldn't finish it. It's like the audience take it away. So I just have to look at the people and watch the people singing the song and just salute them. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Nah, man, big deal. When did you record your first album? I know you have a couple albums. When did you record your first one?
The first album is what? Well, the first album, I don't even remember the first album. Whom we recorded the first album with? I know I did some in Europe. You understand? But I don't even know who we recorded the first album with, you know. That's so long now. But I do a lot of work with Startrail.
Of course.
I do a lot of work with Scorpio. I do a lot of work with Jamins and Jan. You understand? So Rivers of Reality, I produce Rivers of Reality myself.
You produced it?
Yeah, man, I produce Rivers of Reality.
Yeah.
I'm the one who produced Rivers of Reality. Because Flames never produced an album for me. You understand?
They didn't?
No.
Yeah.
So, you know, I'm the one who first produced Rivers of Reality. And then Most Wanted, Wild Pitch label in Europe. So after me, Europe, I did all of the albums then.
Did you produce anybody else, or it was just
yourself?
Yourself?
It was just me. It was just me. It was because remember, I'm not really a producer, you know. I just want to do something for myself, just produce for myself to keep my name in the business. So I went to Miami and well, here on me stay now. Every producer me advice, I never really collect no money from them. No, it will not. It's not my style to collect money from producer, because I know in the long run, if I ask them for the song, they're gonna give me. So when I was producing the album, I go to Shocking Vibes, gladly give me. Scorpio, gladly give me. Startrail, gladly give me the song. Flames, the same way. Because I don't take money from producer like that. Because I know in the long run I'm gonna make money. So money is not a priority for me. I know what I can do. Yeah, man. I know to navigate and make it work. Yeah.
Because Startrail is Richard Bell?
Yeah.
How did you link with Richard?
Well, he's from Mandeville, you know. But we booked through the Rastafari faith and all of that. So he start produce now, so we link him. You know, from a producer go on and as an artist, you know, your duty is to go and find that producer. Don't let the producer come to you. You find him. You understand? So even Fattis, even Barris make a prediction, you know, Barris look at Fattis and say, but Barris, he might go kill them, you know, I just trying to get a chance. He might go kill them. Listen him style, Fattis. So Barris make a prediction there.
Barris,
yes, man. And I'm gonna fulfill Barris' prediction. Yeah, man, whether one way or another. Yeah, I hold that to him.
Nah, man. Again, your journey in the business is amazing. And again, I don't think a lot of people really get to see and understand who Uton Green really is what he's brought to the business.
That's true. Yeah, man, I help a whole lot of artists, man. Uton Green help a Jamal, who one of my picnic too. Yes, he call me and him talk.
Yeah.
A whole lot of them, you know, I can't even remember them at once. But a whole lot of artists I nurture and try with. Because I'm the type of person that I love good singers. So anyway, I saw the good singers around. I said, come amongst me, man.
Yeah.
Come and make we build and record together. So I'm the one who took Jamali to Jan. Yeah. And we voice the same day. I voice, I have faith and be strong. We will mash down Babylon, cause we have the power in our hands. Yeah, and then Jamal voice that same day for Jan as well.
Yeah.
So I'm the one who took Jamali to Jan. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man. You have a different strength and a different love for the business that a lot of artists don't have.
Yeah, man.
For the business. A lot of people just want the money and what comes with it, the fame, the cars, the riches, the girls, and all of that. But you just love the music and the business.
Man. It's something that's inside of me. It's an inbound concept for me, you know. Music was from my mother. And I heard my mother, the older people, all of the ladies, them in my family, the woman, them used to sing, and all the men used to play guitars. So that was the history in my family. The ladies sing and the man plays guitar. Yeah.
That's the family
my history. So I love it dearly.
Yeah.
You understand? If I'm hungry and start singing right now, my belly just filled up. Yeah, well, that's me.
Yeah. I know at one time you kind of eased out of the business a bit, and I think you were a lot of people in Manchester would know you as the ice cream man.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes, because in my early days, I used to sell like Kisco, ice cream, you understand, popcorn, and all of those things, T-shirts, and all of those things. In fact, I am the one who used to sell to support Tony Rebel. You understand? Me say, no go and go look student. Me will hustle and help, you know. So every Thursday, I used to go buy Rebel and make sure them have money. Every Thursday. Because I came in to buy my T-shirt and my thing and, you know, make sure so them all right. You understand? So it's like me sacrifice myself in order for them, to make them go through. Yeah. If them not appreciate it, well, I just saw it. But that's history.
For sure.
Yeah, you can't turn back at the end of time. That's how it was.
2024. How are you in Rebel right now?
Well, when Mr. Rebel, me hear him, you know, and got choke up. The other day, I see him Robert up Thursday, and I hear him, and he hear me, and we got choke. I just saw it go. Yeah, but we're not really tight. We're not really tight friends. But we heal each other and got choke. I mean, I have no animosity against somebody. You understand? But I just saw it go.
It's just the business and life and how things go from
Yes,
time
man.
to time.
Yes, man. Even sometimes you have a woman in her and her fall out, you know. But you know, kind of feelings see her. If you see her, you can kind of show her love. See him. If you can help her, you still help her. You understand? Because if me see him in a position where he need help, me still help him because that's me. I always been doing it and I still doing it and I will always doing it.
Yeah.
That's me. Me's like a philanthropist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's just how you see yourself.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Lovers of mankind.
You brought it up too. Rub it up Thursdays.
Yeah.
I heard you went out there and shocked the people. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. How was the vibes over there for you?
Well, I gave them. I planned to give them a surprise because you know. I went there before, but you know, do something, and all of us singing on the song. But I never really get to work by myself, and by myself I'm better because I get to get in my mood and in my spirituality and all of that. You understand? And I have the song now with me and Goofy, Click Click, and One Fake Friend. So them never know so I could have DJ the part a Click Click too.
Yeah.
So them run pan and say Click Click, bang bang. Who them? Them are no bad man. Cheerleader them, pam pam. Don't try to see general, wrong bang. Screwface, come at our cloud. Puppy, if you quiet when the dog's out. Black goat, chocolate, mark out. Business start out, we no big friend. From friend enemy. We no friend enemy. Them can't hold we have got cause we no big friend. It was a surprise to them because they never know I was that young.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a surprise them. So we just, you know, the patrons go wild.
Yeah.
You know, so, you know, that surprise, they say it was a surprise performance. Yeah, man.
No, man, because there's a lot that I know certain things, but there's a lot I don't know because, again, as I said, you seem to be in the mix with everything, but you just don't always get the highlight that a lot of people are getting. When you're around Garnet, he's getting the highlight, but you're still in the mix. Rebel, when he signed to the big label, you're in the mix. Everybody's still Sizzla, Anthony B. You're in the mix.
I'm the one who there pushing them. Yeah, man. I'm the one. I was like, I know the person behind them, pushing them, helping them. You understand? Thought the same thing would turn around, but it wasn't that way. But I still give thanks. Uton Green here, just ready to go now. You understand? Because you know it's longevity, me say no. You understand? So me used to keep me exercise for 25 years up by Queen Hill, preparing for this. So it's, you know, I prepare for the long run and the long haul. Yeah, man.
Got you. I think it was probably 2019. You had signed a 5-album deal with an American company.
Yes. New York Entertainment Movements. So we were planning to take the world by storm. There comes the corona. There comes the lockdown. Everything slow me up again. You understand? So the world come like it just get back together, you know. So you know, we're still gonna do some work with New York Entertainment Movement because it's my friend from really the same era. We came from the same era, Comfort District. You understand? So, but he's in New York doing some work. You understand? So it's just a corona that break up, don't mash up everything there. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Trust me, man. I said, wow, why me, Lord? Yeah, man, we're just about to take off, you know.
Yeah.
Because I'm a different type of artist. I can sing anyway. So we start with a song about That's How We Flow. It's like That's How We Flow. Party lovers, let's find somewhere to go. Yeah, that's how we flow. Let's drink on beach and party before the snow. Yeah, and a nice little rhythm there, man. It was about to take off. Corona. Yeah, man.
Do you think the industry really appreciates a Uton Green and what you bring to the table and what you have brought to the table?
All right. I don't know if the industry do it, but the common man in the street, I think they appreciate me. The sound man them, I think they appreciate me because they know who I am. They know when a song play for Uton Green, it's no ordinary fish. You understand? It's a different type of something. So I think the common people, yeah, because even the other day I went to Mandeville on a stage show and the response was super great. Yeah. You understand? So the common man in the street, no, I didn't get my justice. So they try to give me my justice and they always try to encourage me and say, you know, go and see me. And I'm saying, yeah, man, I'm not stop. You understand? So the common man in the street and the sound man, them and lot of producer. Producer love me, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, because them, you know, them know the type of person I am. Yeah.
And throughout your career, did you have like proper management and PR in your team to really say, okay, we're going to work with you?
No. No, because it was Flames and, you know, Rebel was just doing itself. Yeah. That's the reality. It wasn't, you know, it didn't set for us, set for Rebel. So that's how that's how it really was. So there's no joke about it.
It's all good. When was the last time you on Rebel Salute?
Long time now.
Yeah.
Long time now. It was from, we used to keep it by over Brooks Park. Since it moved, got elsewhere, different places, I don't perform on it. Yeah, that's the truth.
Just one of those things, yeah?
Yeah, man. That's one of those things, man. And I never, all the salute keeping, I just feel good. My thing is, I saw even Coffee come get a break from Rebel Salute. Yeah. I love that. You understand? Because one thing is when you build a house, never you break down back that house. Because you may never know, one night you may sleep, I'm stranded and want to sleep in that same house. So if you build up a house, don't break it down back. Just let people live in the house and just enjoy while people live in the house and not say, that's your house, but that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me. That's how I see life. I don't know if I'm an idiot, but that's how I see life.
But listen, you're living, we're not doing a virtual internet. You're in Toronto, you're in the studio. So clearly something is happening somewhere, man. And you're still good. You know what I mean?
I'm still
Listen how strong your voice still is.
Health is wealth.
You understand?
So just keep healthy and know your time will come. When you see a next man shining, glad for them. Try push them if you can. You understand? Because your time will come around. If you start to think about, say, oh, him a go on and me not go on and me not go on, them things that hold you back as a person. You understand? Both physically and mentally. So, how I am now, I rather push people. You understand? And since Rebel Salute, there are a whole lot of artists get a break from it. There's a whole lot of artists perform on it, both local and international. So I give thanks for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
2024. What's next for Uton Green? What are you looking to really bring to the table for 2024?
Yeah, man. 2024, a whole heap of work, man. Soul Survival, me I go do some work with Soul Survival, same way. You understand me I say? And we know say a mad thing that. You understand? Me and J-Body out here in the street, Spider brethren from yard. You understand? So me in a good company. Yeah. You understand? So me just focus and just go and put in work and bigger and better things ever come, man. It's like, all right. Me still me feel like me's a young artist. We never do a song yet. Never have a hit yet. And me work likewise. So if you see me on a stage, you're not gonna believe, you're not gonna think say a Uton doing that. You're gonna say, oh, which artist that? If you don't know me as a person, you ask which artist that? Because I'm gonna perform as such. That's you have to reckon with me. So that's how I am as an artist.
Oh, man, you got a good spirit, a good vibe, and an even better outlook on life and how things work. How I see things is like this. if I see you're going to the top of the mountain,
True.
I'm going to cheer for you.
True.
Because I know now I could potentially
True.
go to the top of the mountain. That
True.
doesn't mean I'm going to get there, you know.
True.
I could potentially.
Yeah,
but
but
if I
hope.
see you go, exactly.
yeah, hope.
But if I see you going to say, yo, forget that guy. There's 10 people behind me saying the same thing. Yo, forget that guy. They're not giving me the strength.
True.
So cheer for them so you could potentially go as far as you can too.
True.
You know
True,
what I mean?
true.
And that's how I see somebody like you, because you said, look how many things you just said, that you've been around and all of these stuff. Yeah, I've seen interviews with you and all, but there's still certain things you just said I've never heard before.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. It's reality, man. It's reality. You see, you can't fake yourself, you know. You understand? And I know, I saw a whole lot of hype artists just go up. But you see, when they're coming down,
Faster than they went up in the first place.
Man,
Yeah,
definitely.
Yeah.
So just keep focus, put in good work, and as an artist, you must have certain dignity within you. As an artist, when you make your little money, make sure you put it to good use. If you don't put it to good use, you're gonna end up being a beggar, and you're gonna stress out. You understand? So my little money, I put a roof over my head, more than one at least, and I give thanks for that.
Yeah.
So some people say I'm an accomplished artist, but to me, I just started. That's how I see myself.
Yeah.
But I make sure I secure my head first. You understand? And that's a key point to life. So you're not going to see me look stressed out and me look be. Anyway, you see me, I go laugh, and I go happy, and I go joyful, and I go cheerful, because I know me have something for lay my head.
Yeah.
You understand? So a whole lot of artists never do that. So they have to be in the street every day, looking, begging. No, I can lay down on my yard, man. For 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, any amount of month more.
Yeah.
Me, I go get a call. My phone gonna ring. Me name Uton Green. I put out good works. So that's what I do. Yeah, man.
Boss, you have an amazing outlook on life
Yeah, that's
and
the key
how
point.
things work with the hits under your belt.
Yeah, man, that's the key.
You understand?
Positive, man. Positive build positive, you know. Negative build negative. So if you're positive, you're going to gravitate to positive people. You have positive people going to want to be around you. And if you're negative, you're going to have some old people who come from around this, so we want to come dry down in their negativity. So just keep positive, and you must make it. So my dream and my aim and my order of the day is positivity. And I must win.
100%.
100%, man.
If there's anything you want to say, anybody you want to big up, leave some contact info where they could book you for dub plates, shows, and all that good stuff before I get you out of here.
Yeah, man. At 1-876-388-8548. You can link Uton Green number that. And, you know, we are going to work on the booking agency. We are going to work on some booking agency. We are going to do things. We are going to work with people, man. Cause, you know, people is here to work with. So we are going to work, gather ourselves and work with some people. Good people, some people really want to see we go. And we are going to do a thing. Yeah, man.
Sure.
Because see me there around me there with J-Bad, Soul Survivor, Pablo, Spider, yeah. We are international, we are going to do work. We are going to do all power.
For sure.
Yeah,
For
man.
sure. Big up Pablo, because Pablo linked me when I was on the ship the other night. He said, yo, Uton's here. I said, yeah, man. He said, yo, he doesn't know how long, but give him a date so we can work. I said, yo, 100%.
True.
I just got off of vacation last night.
True.
And I'm in the studio today.
Yeah, man. Give
You know
thanks for
what I
that,
mean?
man. Give thanks. It's most appreciated. Yeah, man. From the bottom of my
100%.
heart. Yeah, man.
Anybody you want to big up before we get out of here?
Yeah, man. We want to big up the whole music industry. We want to big up Trooper them. You understand? You know, if you have the works with them perform, we want to big up Panther them for the works with them perform. Because them you they put in them work, you know. You understand? All of the producers them, wherever produce me, we give thanks to all of the producers them, because without the producers them, I wouldn't be nothing. You understand? So every producer will ever play a part in my music career, play a part in my life, me have to love and respect them. Just about everybody. Yeah, man. And the whole Jamaica, love and respect. The whole of the whole Canada, England, America. Because it's right around Europe. You understand? David Ferrier them are Europe. You understand? Wild Pitch label. You understand? All of them, just big them up. Enough love and prosperity for them, you know?
For sure.
And we are going to rise, man. We are rise to the top.
Come
Rise,
on,
mister.
always.
Yeah, man.
You
Yeah,
understand?
man. Yeah.
There was, okay, you know what, I lied. There was 2 names that we spoke about, but they had passed on. So I want to know personally, you've been around them.
Yeah.
Garnet Silk and Fattis Burrell.
Yeah.
Do you have any special memory from those 2 that you'll cherish in your mind and in your heart for the rest of your life?
Yeah, man. Garnet Silk was a type of person, you know.
Yeah.
If Garnet Silk in here so right now, everybody have to crack up. Because him not talk no joke thing, but him not talk no. He's some serious joke him always run. And him always tell him life story and tell about some things that happen. So Garnet Silk was like a jovial person, yet he was a serious person, he was a soulful person. Well, Fattis now I'm a brethren. Fattis used to love me in the studio, you understand me I say? Because me was like a motivator, same way for Fattis them and, you know? Luciano and the whole of them, Sizzla, and my brethren them said way, the whole of them, you understand? So, let's pick up the whole industry, man. You understand? Matter and the whole of them. The whole of them vice me, you know? Of course. Links them, the whole of them vice me.
Yeah.
So I have to big up them and love them and know, say, yeah, the whole of them play a part in my career.
100%.
Every man put on a song on the turntable and push, you know, Oliver, you understand, the whole of them. Yes, Sky Juice. Well, in fact, Sky Juice, big well, Sky Juice, when I go win the World Clash, and me, if I ever me, I don't know what it'll go. Me gather the whole of the artists, them at the studio and say, watch you now. Sky Juice, I go up on the road, you know. So the whole of them come together, and the whole of them come together and give Fattis some song. You understand? Bushman, him not vice people like that. And a 4-song Bushman give Fattis. Just through me tell him, say, yo. Sky Juice. Yeah. Just through me tell him, say, yo. The man a Gar Road. I could send them Gar Road. So the whole of we gather, we just gather the team of man, because there was Exodus. With, it was like a music factory. Everybody there. So I gather the whole of them, say, hold on, come here. Watch out now, say Sky Juice here. Him a go the road. Sky Juice talk about it all the while too. Say Sky, him a go up on the road. So the whole of we come together and push him, make him go up on the road. And Sky Juice go win.
Free tune.
And me make him win. Yeah, man, I said, come on. Yeah, that's what the history.
Boss
about that.
Maximum
enough
respect.
Love. Enough love. Yeah, man, it's a pleasure, man. Thanks for having me, man.
You understand.
Blessings.
Spider, Pablo,
yes.
Big Boss.
J-Bad.
Big up yourself, J-Bad.
Yeah, man.
All right?
Yeah, man.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinemusichut.com.